Hey everyone, and welcome to New Brand Cars. Today I'm excited to be reviewing the all-new 2025 Dodge Challenger. This car is a legend in the muscle car world, and it's back for 2025 with more power, more style, and more technology than ever before. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The Challenger has a classic American muscle car look, with a long hood, wide stance, and aggressive grille. It's available in a variety of colors, including eye-catching shades like Hellraisin and Plum Crazy. Interior. The interior is just as impressive as the exterior. It's spacious, comfortable, and well-equipped. The seats are supportive and comfortable, and there's plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The infotainment system is also top-notch, with a large touchscreen and easy-to-use interface. Performance. Under the hood, the Challenger packs a powerful V8 engine. It's available in 3 different tunes, ranging from 485 horsepower to 807 horsepower. The Challenger is also available with a variety of transmissions, including a manual and an automatic. Prices. The 2025 Dodge Challenger starts at around $35,000 and prices vary depending on the engine, transmission, and options package. Conclusion. The Dodge Challenger is a legendary muscle car that continues to impress. It's a powerful, stylish, and comfortable car that's sure to turn heads. If you're looking for a true American muscle car, the Challenger is a great option. Thanks for watching. Here are some additional points you can include in your script. The Challenger's handling is surprisingly good for a muscle car. The Challenger is available with a variety of safety features, including adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring. The Challenger is a great car for road trips and weekend getaways. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.